I do a very simple experiment every time I take a flight.
Uh-huh.
So when the flight is taking off now,
Uh-huh.
so just at the time when it's kind of taking off, I start asking myself, do I want to leave? And then my internal thing tells that, yes, bro, you have to leave. And then that makes me realize that being alive is the biggest blessing that I have. Forget about all the dollars, rupees that you're making and whatever you want to do in your life, whatever car that you want to drive, whatever home that you want to have. But at that stage, ma'am, when the flight is just taking off and you are anxious
Mm.
because most of the accidents happen either during takeoff or landing.
Yeah.
And you ask yourself whether you want to leave. And I'm like internally, nahi yaar, sab kuch chhoro, jeena hai bas.
Yes, 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 yes. That's the point of, resilience. That's the point where we say, I'm alive. That's more important. Whether I have anything else or not, I can always make money. I can always, find opportunities. I can always get married. I can always find my partner.
Yes.
Whatever is bothering you that seems to be like a big mountain in front of you seems nothing when you go through life and death
Yes.
importance, right?
Yes.
With the biggest blessing that you have today is when you wake up in the morning and you're able to breathe. That is very, very important. You're able to breathe, you have health, you're able to see, you're able to taste normal food, you're able to, I mean, today, very coincidentally, I was looking through my window and I saw a little kid, hardly about 3 or 4 years old, okay, walking with crutches. I felt so, so, so disturbed at that point in time that you don't see too many kids in that kind of, situation in a very upmarket kind of a place or anything of that sort, right? But when you see, I'm like, oh my God. I mean, even in my community, I have so many kids, happy, healthy, touch wood, God bless. But when I saw that child, I really got moved saying, this is what is the blessing I have today. That, what is that mother going through? Probably every day making that child practice to walk with crutches and what is that child missing out? Looking at other children, right? It's a very deep example, but it just happened this morning and I'm like, I'm still sitting with it. This is exactly what I'm saying, that it is a blessing first and foremost that I'm alive, I'm breathing, I have everything in my hand that I can do to change my life
Yes.
you know